Okay, I am working on a Laravel application, and this is an empty index page, and I go to create a new item. Let's just add some test data in here. Test. And then when I press create, you're going to say, it says this form is not secure. Are you sure you want to submit it? And you submit it anyways, and then it goes back to the index page, and it did not add anything in. This is not a problem with a testing environment. If I'm running this on my local machine, it works just fine. But when I upload this project to the server and I'm running it on an SSL certificate where it's HTTPS, that is when the problem occurs. And I'm going to go over to my computer and show you how to fix it. Okay, I'm here on my local machine and I am on my projects. My daughter's talking to me. My projects under routes web.php. This is the file that I have open. At the bottom of my file, I added this line. It's URL : force scheme HTTPS. And what this is going to do is it's going to force HTTPS on all of the routes, including your get and post request routes. And I think that the reason that this is not working, I'm speculating a little bit here, but I think the reason that this is not working is because when it goes to post the data to the server, it's actually using HTTP instead of HTTPS. So that's what this is here. Now, if you have two different, let me see if I still have the page open. If you have two different production environments, for example, a development and production environment, you can add this if statement here. If app environment is production, then force HTTPS. But otherwise, it's just going to do regular HTTP. And yeah, so since I'm basically running this as on a production environment, I'm going to do this. Actually, this is not always going to be running on production, so I'm going to add this. I'm assuming that this is still going to work. So I'm going to add these to my commit. And then I'm going to go over to my server and I'm going to pull those changes. And let's see if I go back to my page, not this one. I think everything should still be good. It should still work. Aha. Enter on this page is sent over an insecure connection. Yeah, so I'm getting the same problem. So let me see. I think I just, because I'm running this on production, I'm just going to do this. All right. Changed it back. Create. Yeah, and it works. Okay, so yeah, that's how you fix that problem. Is you just add this little bit of code, and I guess if you're running this on a what do you call it? A non-production environment, you got to figure out a way to get around that. But it's something to do with this. So you can look into that more on your end. And yeah, that's it.